Already swimming. Lashes and spray. Lashes they do.
You do. If you have a video again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you just stumbled on this channel, you are most welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Honestly, I really can't thank you guys enough. Today we are going to be having an eyelash tutorial. Like, it's been long awaited, and I just felt it's high time we filmed something with the eyelash. You know, like, eyelash is just like the icing on the cake. It's just, you know. And before we go, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and give this video a thumbs up. I love you, and let's get right into the tutorial. I've already had my face beaten, and you know, like, lash is like a game changer. Honestly, I always say that with lashes you can never ever go wrong with your makeup. For this tutorial, what we are going to be needing is ta-da! A lash. Obviously, this is a mink lash. We have different types of eyelashes. I mean, like, if you just go on Amazon or anywhere, you can just get like different kinds of eyelashes. So we are going to be using an eyelash. We are going to be using a lash adhesive, a tweezer, a scissors. You need a mascara, and lastly, you'll be needing a mirror. So what you want to do is you want to have everything put on your table, and you gently remove your lashes from the band, or you just remove it. If you want to remove your eyelashes from the band, you want to remove it from the outer parts. You don't want to remove your eyelashes from the inner corners, because the inner corner is more like a guide to your eyes, to your direct eyes. So you want to remove your lashes from the outer part of. So what you want to do is gently use your tweezer to remove it. Just try as much as possible to be careful with it, because you don't want to rip it off. And here you have your lash. I'll suggest you measure your lash. Well, it is advisable to measure your lash because most lashes are usually longer than the eyes. So I suggest you measure your eyes, the lashes with your eyes, so to know where to cut and where not to. So this is a little big. I don't know if you can see, but like, this is a little big for me. So I'm just going to chop the outer part, like I said, and that's where your scissors comes in. I'm just going to cut off this excess parts, and just a little bit, because if you don't cut it, it's just going to be poking you right in your inner eye, and you don't really want that. So now that we have the exact measurement, yeah, so I believe this is like the exact measurement. You want to take your glue and put a little bit behind your palm, like so. I'm just going to be using like very little, like this. And with this kind of lash glue, this dries very quickly, so you just want to apply on the lash band and just stick it to your eyelash. Like, there's no need to waste time. So what you want to do first is to use a mascara on your actual eyelash. This is just to help the eyelash stay or stick more. So is place your falsies in the middle and wait for a few seconds, and this is just to help secure it. And you go to the outer part of your lash and just place it like so. Like, I'm even using my hand, I didn't even need to use the tweezer. And you come to the front to the inner corners of your eyes and just place it like that. Can you see? Like, lashes are just a game changer. Look, just look at these eyes and look at these eyes. Like, can you just see it? Really? Say hello, say hello, say hello to my friends. Like, she's been here disturbing my life. There you have it. Once you just place your eyelashes in the middle, you can use your finger or your tweezer to just carefully place the right side, wait a few seconds, and just let it stay well, and go onto the inner corner, stay a few seconds, and it's just a simple logic that it has to do with practice. Even me, as like a professional, I still make mistakes once in a while, but you just have to keep practicing and keep practicing. So let's just go on to the second eye, just for the sake of the tutorial, and let's just do that. Like we did the other one, you're going to like put some of the glue on the back of your hand and use the back of your tweezer. I usually use the back of my tweezer. It just makes it easier. As with the first tutorial, you're going to remove your lash from the outer part. Don't forget, ladies, from the outer part. So once you gently remove your lashes, you want to take out the excess because it might be too long and you don't want your eyelash poking you. And once you have the correct measurement, I believe this is like my correct measurement because I already did this on the other side. You want to take your lash glue on the back of your hands and use the bottom part of your tweezers to place your glue on the lash band. Like, this glue dries very fast, very fast, so I'm not going to even wait for it to get tacky. Ordinarily, if you use some other glue, you have to wait for your lashes to get tacky, because if you don't wait for your glue to get tacky, you're going to make a mess of your lash, and you don't want that. So before you place your falsies, you want to use your mascara to just beef up your natural eyelash, just so your false lashes will see what to sit on. And you just want to place your eyelash, your false lashes. And when you are using your little mirror or your small mirror, you want to put your mirror like this. You don't want to put it like this, because if you put it directly like this, you're actually looking at what you are doing and you won't be able to do anything. So you want to put your mirror like this so you can see what you're working with. So once you put your eyelashes in the middle, you take the outer part and you just slightly secure it. Wait a few seconds and let it just like stay glued together. And you come to the front part and just press it also. And you can use your fingers as well. It's just as the spirit leads, honestly. So I'm just going to use my finger to just secure it, and there you have it. So can you see, like, lashes is just a game changer, honestly. Compare the other one with when I didn't have the other lash on with the actual lash, like, and now I just feel like conquering the world. I just want to conquer the world with my eyelashes. And that comes to the end of the tutorial, guys. I hope you found this very useful. Honestly, this is not hard, and it takes constant practice. You have to keep practicing and practicing and practicing. Even me, I still make mistakes. Like I said earlier, I make mistakes, and that's the essence of makeup. You just create looks, create fun looks. You're gonna make mistakes, and from your mistakes you're gonna learn and keep learning and keep learning. Thank you so much for sticking by to the end of this tutorial, and I'm gonna see you on my next one. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to share, and stay beautiful. I love you.
Sure,
Where did I find this girl? Come on, go away! Picture time, lesson time.